Meaning of earnestness.
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 Earnestness. Earnestness refers to the quality of being serious and sincere in one's actions or intentions. It implies a deep sense of commitment towards a particular purpose or goal. When someone approaches their work or relationships with earnestness, they do so with a strong sense of purpose and dedication that is evident in their actions. The result of earnestness can be seen in the increased level of trust and respect that others have towards the person who displays it, as well as in the achievement of meaningful results and goals.